Good morning, students of class 10. I am B.D. Bhagat, teaching you mathematics, and the chapter is mensuration. So there are some questions we have to solve, and if you see all these formulas, then you will yourself say that mensuration is also easy. One question for you: the short hand and long hand of a clock are 4 centimeter and 10 centimeter long respectively. Find the sum of the distance traveled by their tips in 2 days. You know their hand means minute hand and hour hand. You see that in a clock there are 2 hence short hand is called hour hand, HOUR, and long hand is minute hand. Means short hand when circulates, then it gives hour, time in hour, and when long hand moves one round, suppose, then it shows minute. Means 60 minutes in one round. So relating these 2 hands, find the sum of the distance traveled by their tips in the 2 days. 2 दिन में उनका टिप माने ऊपरी भाग जो है घूम करके कितना दूरी जाएगा, यही निकालना है हम लोगों को. So first of all we are writing the answer in this way: short hand, that is hour hand, HOUR. You may write short hand. Oh, I have not written the question. So first of all, I have to write the question. The short hand and long hand of a clock are 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Respectively. Find the sum of the distance traveled. Distance traveled by their tips, knock. Tips in 2 hours, 2 days, 2 दिन में. This is the question. Now we are short hand means hour hand, HOUR. You may write or don't write if you know. Short hand solution. Short hand, I am writing, that is hour hand, hour, HOUR, घंटे की कांटा. Hour hand completes one round in 12 days, 12 one round in 12 hours. एक बार जब वो घूमता है तो 12 घंटा हो जाता है एक राउंड में. सो डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय, therefore distance traveled or covered, whatever you write, covered, by tip, by its tip in 12 hours. Is equal to circumference of the circle when it moves and takes one round, then the tip produces circumference of the circle. So we may write distance travelled by tip in 12 hours is equal to circumference in 12 hours. Circumference of the circle when it makes one round. You know there is a formula to get the circumference of the circle, and this is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is equal to 2. Pi has a fixed value 22/7 into r means 4. It will be 176/7. 176/7 centimeter. Therefore, 2 days means 48 hours. So, distance covered or covered in 2 days, that is 48 hours, is equal to multiply 48 hours to 12 hours. Distance travelled by tip in 12 hours. So 24 means 4 times. 4 into 176/7. 4 into 176/7 centimeter. So we see that when the short hand, that is our hand of the hour of the clock, completes rotation, then during 2 days it completes 4 into 176/7 centimeter. In the same way, we have to find the distance covered by the long hand, that is minute hand. Since the minute hand completes one rotation in 60 minutes, and when it completes one rotation, then in 60 minutes is equal to 60 by means 1 hour, and 2 days is equal to, therefore the minute hand completes one rotation in 60 minutes, or 60 minutes means 1 hour. Since in 1 hour it completes one rotation, therefore in 2 days means 48 hours. It completes how many rotation? 48. 48 into in 1 hour it completes one rotation. Therefore, in 2 days, that is 8 hours, it completes 48 rotation. Therefore, distance traveled or covered by its tip in 48 rotation means circumference. We multiply the circumference with 4 times. 4 into 2 pi r. 48. 48 rotation is equal to 48. 48 into 2 pi r is equal to 48 into 2 into 22 by 7 into r. Long hand of a cloth are 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. After multiplying, it will be get. If you multiply, therefore, total distance covered by the two and is equal to, we shall add 4 into 176 by 7 plus 48 into 22 by 7 into 6. Both will be in centimeter. Take 7 LCM, then 4 into 176 plus 48 into 20 into 6. So, after, if you add, I think that now this will be easier for you. Is equal to, after adding, after multiplying and adding, we shall find 13376. 13376 by 7 centimeter is equal to 1910.86 centimeter. This will be 86 centimeter. This will be your answer. I think that calculation is you can do your calculation and in this way we can do the sum. Now it is clear, okay? Then I am going to solve the second question. I have one more question and so many questions. Very easy question. I think that you can do yourself also. I am telling the question and writing the question on the board. Question number 2. Question number 2. The diameter of a semicircle of a semicircular protector मीन्स जिसको हम लोग हिंदी में चांद बोलते हैं, इसमें बॉक्स का इज 14 सेंटीमीटर है. Then find its perimeter. Perimeter. I am drawing the figure. The diameter of a semicircular protector is 14 centimeter. From here to here, 14 centimeter, this length. Right? 14 centimeter diameter. Now, since diameter is denoted by D, 14 centimeter. Therefore, R means radius. 14 by 2 is equal to 7 centimeter. So, what is asked in the question? Find its perimeter. Find its perimeter means length of this plus length of this means the total length. And therefore, its perimeter means length of the semicircle. Length means circumference. Circumference is length, you know. Plus diameter AB. Its diameter. You know that circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Circle, but semicircle is equal to only 2 pi r by 2 means pi r plus diameter 14 is equal to 22 by 7 into r means 7 plus 14, 7, 7, 22 plus 14 is equal to 46 centimeter. So, sorry, 22 plus 14, 36 centimeter. I'm sorry. Very easy question. Let us solve one more question. But and this question this question was also asked in the previous CBSE board examination. So, first of all, but to see the figure, question number 3. Number 3. In the given figure, means figure is given. In the given figure, find the perimeter. Find the perimeter of shaded region. Shaded region where ADC, AEB, ADC, AEB and BFC and BFC are semi circles on diameter AC और diameter AC AB and BC respectively. Here I am drawing the figure first. Don't become nervous to see the figure. You can draw better using compass, but this is one semicircle and AB. And its diameter is given here 2.8 centimeter. 2.8 centimeter from A to B. Second BC. And it is 1.4 centimeter from B to C. 1.4 centimeter. I am first of all, without disturbing the figure, eh, 1.4 centimeter from here to here. 1.4 centimeter. And here we have to draw another, taking AC as diameter. Then shaded figure means I am drawing shade by using lines. ADC. ADC. So this will be D. Yeah. ADC. AEB. This is B. This is E. AEB. BFC already. So this is the figure. And just after this question, It's 9, and in the time also you will see it also. Now, if you are asked to find what is asked in the question, in the given word, find the perimeter, means, so I am solving the answer. Perimeter of the length of the semicircle AEB. First of all, length of the semicircle AEB. This length. Length of the semicircle or the breadth AEB is equal to, you know, that circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r, but it is semicircle, so 2 pi r by 2, that is pi r. That is pi r. So is equal to 22 by 7 value, sorry, pi r, first of all writing pi r is equal to 22 by 7 into r. This is the diameter. Half the diameter is r, 2.8 by 2 is equal to 2.2 is equal to 1.4. I write in pi, not 22 by 7. Always after that, pi into r. R means 2.8 by 4 is equal to pi into 1.4. 1.4. Okay. Similarly, I have done this. Now this perimeter means length of semicircle BFC is equal to same case pi into r. Pi into r. R means 1.4 by 2 is equal to pi into 0.7. Pi into 0.7. Second case. Now, circumference of ADC. Of ADC, bigger circle, bigger semicircle, is equal to pi into first AC means 2.8 plus 1.4 length of AC, that is diameter, by 2 is equal to pi into by 2 is equal to pi into 2.1. If the unit is written in the question, then I shall write unit, otherwise no need. Unit I shall write. So now the answer goes total. Now, as asked in the question, perimeter of the shaded region. Shaded region कितने region का? Therefore perimeter of the shaded region is equal to, we shall add all these, then we will get the answer pi into 1.4 plus pi into 0.7 plus pi into 2.1. Take pi common, then 1.4 plus 0.7 plus 2.1. After adding all these, you will get the answer. So pi into 4.2 centimeter, that is 4.2 centimeter. Now, and no matter, this will be the answer 4.2 pi centimeter. Na 4 pi to 2. Oh, I am giving the value of pi. You know that value of pi is equal to 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into 4.2, it will be 13.2 centimeter. If the calculation is right, then this will be the answer. Or if there is wrong in the calculation, then you may do easily correct calculation. But this is the figure, and first of all, you were thinking very difficult question, but you know that this time that this is a easy question. Yes or no? So today this is sufficient, and after that next day we shall meet again. Thank you.